Hello guys, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. I don't know what time are you watching this video. I just decided to record this video in order for you to get familiar with the activities that you have to develop for this laboratory practice class. This is our fifth class. Next Saturday is going to be our last for this first term, so I hope you can do your best. I hope that you continue working hard, pushing yourself, and doing your best in this laboratory practice because this is your 20% of the first midterm exam. So, guys, I have this quote in order for us to start this laboratory practice class. This quote says that success is the sum of small efforts, repetitive. So, guys, if you want to be a successful person, you have to keep working in this small part of your life that you consider that you're not good enough. For example, sometimes you said, I think that the small parts in my life that I have to keep working because I'm not good enough is probably my feelings. Sometimes I get angry or sometimes I get mad easily. So guys, you have to keep working in this small effort. You have to keep working even though at the first time it is not the answer that you probably wanted. You have to keep working. You have to do your best and keep working hard every time, every day, every morning. You have to wake up and think what you want for your future and think which is your goal and keep working for achieving that goal. Okay guys, I have this game in which if you click in the link, you're going to open this page, and in this page you are going to find something interesting because this is an idiom game. Sometimes we say, okay, I know a lot of idioms, but it is really important to keep working on those idioms. Why? Because those idioms are going to be are going to be useful in order for us to continue working on the reading part, listening part, and grammar structure. So this is idiom match up game. Okay, so if you click here and start, here are the idioms. Hold your horses, I've got your back, hold turkey, and all of them. And here you have the meaning, statements. For example, this one, I can't remember who sings this song. You are going to read these idioms and then you are going to match them. This is just randomly, but you are going to do it correctly. Then you are going to take a screenshot when you are done. Obviously, you have to submit all of them. Then you are going to take a screenshot and upload it in the part with another activity that you have to develop for this class, which is this one. For this class, you are going to do just one thing, is this one. You are going to check your English grammar level. So guys, you have to click in here and then you are going to be in this page. Check your English grammar level. So before taking the test, the instruction says, in this test, you will check your English grammar level. This test contains 150 questions. Questions from 135 to 150, you have to find mistakes in the given sentences. After you read the question and read the choices and choose the best answer to the question you have read. For example, he, and then you have a space. Here you have 4 options. M is V R. The best answer to this question is the option V. He is a teacher. So you should choose answer B, then click submit button. This is really important, guys. When taking the test, when you finish the test, you have to compare your score with the following range to know your English grammar level. For example, from the question number 0 to the question number 40, it means that you are in the beginner level. I don't want you to have this level, okay? Then from the question number 41 to 60, it means that you are in elementary level. It is not good enough. Then from question 61 to 80 is pre-intermediate level. Then from 81 to 100 you are in an intermediate level, and then 101 and 125 you are in upper intermediate level. I want you to please try to at least get in this level, upper intermediate, but I hope that you are in the advanced level. So that means 126 and 150 in this range. So here you have the options, Jim's Rabbit, and you have three options. M is R, Jim's Rabbit, and then you click in the one that you consider as the correct and submit. It is incorrect, so you continue, and so you click in the one that you consider. I'm doing randomly, so and then submit, and then so on. Okay guys, this is the activity that you are going to do. At the end you have to take a screenshot and upload it on the space that I'm going to provide you on Google Classroom. As always guys, if you have any doubt, if you have any comment, if you are not able to do this activity, just let me know, because I'm here to support you, I'm here to help you. So this is my pleasure guys. Thank you for watching this video and have a good weekend. See you next class.